Hi, it's Friday Feathered Facts again, and this is Diana. And you might notice I do not have a bird on my hand today. That's because our resident ambassador this week is the largest bird we have at Montana Wild, and frankly, I am not strong enough to handle her. So, my friend Art is here to tell you about golden eagles.
Thanks, Diana, and welcome to Feathered Friday. Very fortunate to have our golden eagle, certainly an iconic species in Montana and everywhere in the Northern Rockies. Our resident here, her wingspan is between 6.5 and 7 feet. She weighs between 13 and 15 pounds. And it's interesting, as many of you know from following us, across almost all bird of prey species, the female can run up to 1/3 larger than the male. And so the other question that we tend to get a lot is how does one tell the difference between a juvenile bald eagle and a golden eagle? Noting that bald eagles start to get their white head, their iconic white head and white tail, about their 3rd year, and they're not pure white, the head and the tail, till almost their 5th year. So what we generally suggest to folks is the first clue as to whether you're watching in the wild a juvenile bald eagle or a golden is where you see them. Golden eagles are true eagles, the Aquila genus. Bald eagles are actually sea eagles, like the Steller's sea eagle and the white-tailed eagle. As such, bald eagles have bare legs. Their legs are covered with those yellow scales all the way up to their knees. Golden eagles, as true eagles, have what we call feathered tarsi. They have feathers all the way down to their feet. So if you have some binoculars, that's one good way to tell. But again, the first clue, your first best clue, is where you see them. Again, as sea eagles, bald eagles are generally associated with riparian environments, rivers, lakes, and streams. We think of golden eagles as more frequently hanging out in dry, dissected upland country, rocky crags, foothills, and mountains. So if you see a large brown eagle sitting in a cottonwood tree, chances are it's a bald. If you see a large brown eagle sitting out on a power pole in the middle of the prairie, chances are it's a golden.
Migration.
And again, so lucky to have a golden eagle to share with our visitors and guests. Thanks, Diana.
Yeah. As always, if you have comments, questions, suggestions, please leave them in the comments box, and thanks a lot for coming today.